I'm going to show you how to switch to expert mode on Google Ads. The process has changed recently, and it can be a bit confusing, but I'll walk you through it step by step. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, log into your Google Ads account. On your dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Appearance. Previously, this option was under Settings, but it's moved. Under Appearance, select Use Previous Design for this session. You'll be asked to choose a reason for switching. Pick any option and click Send. This will take you back to the old design, which includes expert mode and all its advanced features. Keep in mind, some of the newest features might not be available in this mode, but you'll get access to all the customization and tools that are missing in the simplified current version. And that's it. Switching to expert mode is simple once you know where to look. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.